In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do drawings in Freeagent. When you take money out of your business for personal use, it's really important that it's recorded properly in your accounts. In Freeagent, this is usually done by explaining the transaction as drawings. That way, the system knows this isn't a business expense, it's simply you taking money out of the business for yourself. First, log into your Freeagent account and head over to your business bank account within the software. This is the bank account that's linked to your business transactions, not a personal account. You'll usually find it listed under the banking area, and then you can select the specific business account you want to work with. Once you're in the bank account view, look through the list of transactions and locate the bank transfer where you took money from the business. This might be labeled as a transfer to your personal account, or it might just look like money going out to you. Take a moment to check the date and amount so you're sure you've got the right transaction. Next, click on that transaction to open it and explain it. In Freeagent, every bank entry needs an explanation so it's treated correctly in your accounts, and this is where we'll tell the system that this is a drawing. When the explanation or reason options appear, look for the option that says Money Paid to User. Select that option. This tells Freeagent that the payment is going to one of the users on the account, rather than to a supplier or for a normal expense. After that, you'll see a list of users associated with the business. Choose your own name from that list. This links the withdrawal to you personally, which is important for your capital or drawings account. In the description box, type the word drawings. Keeping this description consistent makes your records clearer and easier to understand later on, both for you and for your accountant. If you ever review your transactions, you'll immediately see that this was money you took for personal use. Finally, save the explanation. Once you hit save, Freeagent will update that transaction and record it correctly as drawings. If you have more than one similar payment, you can repeat the same process for each transaction. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps each time you take money out of the business, you'll keep your records clean, accurate, and easy to work with at year-end.